Look what I go on the stick, people. We know more pork and fried chicken. What do I want to tell you something? More pork and fried chicken. Yes, I stick with what I know. But I don't like eating food. All of them have to be with the ketchup or the sauce.
How much when I sing them? They go on them to know.
You have to give me a wing. Don't give me no wing, man. I don't want to fly with it. That's a pink. What? Alright, give me this. Wait. Sakura movie people. See that? Sakura Express. If you never know. A long time, I don't see Sakura Express or Express. Normally you have to join a long time. I better sit the chop out of my bag.
You know, I stay on an NCB and by the time I could go down call they jump in at the van.
Eh?
Yeah, I tell you something that's my friend.
So nice?
Is that nice?
God knows, if there's me have to do, I'll probably take your number.
No, I come from my man still them out today. So I leave one with you because I stay alone.
How will you say? Yeah. Let me see in your bag. I don't want to smell, let me see. Check in again, my beautiful people, man. Welcome back to another video. So, in this video, what I'm going to do is, I'm just gonna look some breadfruit, and I'm gonna be looking some Ackee, both of which is right here in my yard, man. Yeah, man. So actually I go look some of these stuff right now and prepare them, freeze them, and thing to send them abroad. Seeing so, yeah, I go export some Ackee and some breadfruit. I'll be picking the breadfruit from today, let them drain for a bit and get on the turner side, and then today is what, it's Monday evening, so later on in the week I can roast these breadfruit when them turn, yeah man, and peel them and slice them up nice and decent and thing, yeah man, and then put them in my freezer and make them freeze. I'll be having some family members in Jamaica for the summer holidays, and yeah, my family is also having a big wedding. One of my cousins is getting married, so it's the perfect opportunity to send some Ackee in America. And guys, right now I don't know who borrowed the leather from off of the tree. The leather just disappear for a bit, but I know that anybody who have it will bring it back. It's just that I need it now and it's not there on the tree, so I have this long stick right now out here from morning picking Ackee, because right now it's evening. I was facing a bit of challenge when I came out here to pick Ackee, with the sun being directly above the tree, so I couldn't look up. So I just decided to just lean the stick on there. I do have a portion inside already, so I'm just going to add to that so that I have enough to make maybe about 2 different portions, because I'll be having quite a lot of breadfruit. I still have breadfruit on my tree from Hurricane Beryl has passed. So big up on yourself, stay tuned, and I'll show you guys how I get busy with this. See? Enough love and respect. Alright, my beautiful people, so see what I'm going now? This is the portion. So yeah man, so now I can just Go refill this, and yeah, we should be good with that. So big up on yourself again. Maybe we can get about half dozen breadfruit. I don't want nothing too much. Anyway, pop off, pop off. Anyway, maga. Simple as that. Nobody never really give me nothing to put on. I'll try my best to secure some for my mother, and whosoever is gonna bring it, then maybe I can give them a parcel of ackee and a parcel of roast breadfruit. And it done this. Anybody want more, if me have extra, then can get it. Me not sell it, and nobody will pay me if you do this. So I'm just gonna do it from the kindness of my heart. So yeah, that is that. One of the reasons right now why I decided to give this tree a little time and come back again is because this ackee tree, technically, it opens like every minute of the day. We have ackee opening on this tree. Yeah. And actually I face some challenge with these ackee. These aren't butter ackee, but for some reason, due to the constant rainfall that we've been having, the shell of the ackee, or people would call it the ox, right? The ackee is inside. This is the ackee. This is the actual ackee. But guess what going on now? When this is inside and the rain falls, this thing tends to trap a bit of water in there, and it keeps water on the actual ackee fruit. So guess what me now? I find that the ackee that I'm taking out, half of what I'm removing, half of what I'm getting is spoiled. Seeing they're too soft and too saggy, and you can't send something like that to FARIN. You understand? Because the storage process alone can actually make your ackee spoil really fast. So you have to actually know how to prepare this to get it stored. Unlike some ackee, these ackee are on the harder side. You have some ackee that are butter ackee. Those ackee kind of tend to spoil a bit faster than these ones. These ones are much solid, so even when these are cooked, they tend to stay in form, in a one form then, for a longer period of time. Yeah man. Like the butter ackee now, it starts dissolve once it's cooked. It mash out real fast. So I say things, we don't have no control over that. For people with ackee tree now in the yard too. If you have an ackee tree at home, try your very best not to store the spoiled ackee under the tree, because that will kind of harbor a bit of sour fly, and if you have sour fly lingering under the ackee tree, then go spoil what upon the tree as well. See, so you have to keep on the ackee tree as clean as possible. Let me show you something. So this is my side of the fence. See, on this side, some of what's up there right now is what I had picked this morning. See them there? I have some right there which I soon take up. Seeing, so I have less flies, sour flies lingering under the tree, because yeah, the fly tend to make the ackee then go bad real fast. So the cleaner environment you have for your ackee tree, the better the ackee them will be on the tree. Same thing for almost any fruit. If you have an apple tree, it can tend to give you a lot of work trying to keep under that tree clean. So you just have to keep the environment, your apple tree, your fruit tree, your mango tree, whatever it is. If you have fruits falling under the tree and you're not cleaning it, it will linger a bit of sour fly, and the sour fly now, they will infest your fruits or whatever it is with worms or whatever it is. Your things them go start go bad real quick. So it is a habit to try to keep under the fruit tree them as clean as possible. If they are falling off on their own, just go through with your rake and clean up your environment, or the environment for your fruit tree. Seeing, so that is that. Yeah man people, so from the looks of things, with all of the sweating, right now my shirt is wet because the stick was just not moving at the pace that I wanted to move, because I realized the sky started to get a bit overcast. Yeah man, so I realized I have to move fast, especially if I wanted to pick a few of these breadfruits. Now, look at this people. It is a blessing, and right now I barely even shake what is ready in the tree right now. Yeah man, you ever hear them say, "Oh God bless, no man curse"? Yeah man, and what I feel, yeah. Enough time I watch some video man and see a whole lot of people on their diving deep sea adventure with them. Some long big old barracuda and this and that, and I wish me could only get a slice of that. And look here, right now, I know a lot of them right now wish they could actually get even a dozen of these Ackee right now. Yeah man, so due to the mosquitoes and thing right now, I'm just trying to see how fast I can just remove all of this and head inside and start actually clean them up. Yes, and I still need to pick at least 6 of the breadfruit them off of this tree, because we used to have a lot of them around the lower limbs, but due to people passing by and asking me for breadfruit, and me tell them to pick, yeah, them pick majority of the ones that were on the lower part of the tree. So I may have to just jump up on my house top and see how much I can get. So big up on yourself, stay tuned. I'm showing you some nice pretty breadfruit in the evening. Yeah. Bless. Bye people, take my foolish advice. You see, if you see a farmer, a fisherman, or anybody at all selling certain kind of goods, whatever them price is, just pay for it, cause yeah, you're not gonna see go catch fish. So if fisherman say $1,000 a pound, just give me $1,000. Me and you can't climb. So if you see a man a sell some breadfruit or something out the road, and he say 500 per one, just give me 500. No bother with the argument. Cause on the tree me climb, due to me not having the leather people. People, I'm currently on my house top, and I tell you say, getting up here, I don't never true me put on whole heap of baggage, whole heap of weight. I tell you say, it was quite the challenge till yo, but it was worth it, because you see what we have in stock. This is as fresh as you can get it. Yeah man, you don't get it fresher than this people. Nice roasting breadfruit. Yeah man, that's one. Probably can find a few more. So we have one there so, one there so. Yeah, one nice one right there so too. Let me get it out of the way right now, because if it think that it's gonna stay, and these almost turn, you know. Yeah, maybe by tomorrow evening we can start roasting all of these breadfruits. So due to how me can climb, if I could climb, I could have just go up in the tree right now and pick some other ones that are closer to the big branch without using a stick. Seeing, but we can't do that climbing something there right now. Yeah man, that is a next story. So yeah, my bridging is supposed to over there, you know. Let me see if I can get my bridging to give me a strength on this. Stay tuned people. So you know, say I go down and come back up. Jeez. Let's see if I can manage to pull this off, because I see a lot of people in the country areas picking breadfruit with stick. And how we do it a country, Westmoreland country, we do it different. Nice. Look what I go on the stick, people. See that? So, the breadfruit now get no butter whatsoever. So, how me say people in Portland do and some other countries, this is the tip of the stick right now. So all we do is just try to get the breadfruit stem in there and slightly ring it, and it will just break, but it will try to its best to keep most of the stem within the crotches right there. Anyway, people in Portland, what I see them do is put a hook on the end of the stick, so they just hook the breadfruit and pull it, and hopefully somebody around will catch it. We no bother with that. Country. See? Yeah man, a country, a stick with a right crotch, we good. Yeah man, that is it man. So let me see if I can get any more. I just shout my brethren on him phone, say my forward. I already have 3. As much as I can get, because I don't know how many persons will need breadfruit, because it's a wedding, so I expect a whole lot of family members from overseas to be on the island by the end of July, yeah, by the end of July. I think the wedding is what, the 6th of August, so maybe I'll even have some wedding footage and wedding content for here on the channel. I'm not sure if they want them business out there like that, but we'll know. So big up on yourself. Yeah people, see there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 in my hand, and none of them no drop, none of them no butter. So I go on. Now all I have to do is just remove the stem and let them drain overnight so I can roast them tomorrow. They can roast right now, but believe me, these things taste way better when they are turned. And turning mean when they feel a bit softer. Right now you need all of that stain to drain and remove, believe me. Yeah, so that is it. Everything is all set and draining at the moment. So nice and beautiful breadfruit, and still have it bring in the Ackee as yet. So thumbnail, yeah, see there, what more can you ask for? Eh? This is the land of my birth. Oh no, nobody roll, you know, nobody with that.